Hello, before we start the video, don't forget to leave like and comment, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to get you all new. Qualcomm announced the Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset, which boasts higher CPU and GPU clock speeds for enhanced performance. Except that this new chip will be widely available to smartphone makers. In fact, Qualcomm expects to see the first phones with the 855 Plus by the end of the year. The big change is the GPU, as the Adreno 640 is clocked higher and delivers 15% more performance. Meanwhile, the fast Cryo 485 CPU core was boosted to 2.96 GHz, up from 2.84 GHz, about a 4% overclock. It's not clear if the second cluster of 3 Cryo 485 cores was overclocked. Qualcomm unveils Snapdragon 855 Plus with 15% faster GPU. That's it for the upgrades over the non-Plus model. The Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset still comes with the X24 TE modem and can optionally be connected to an external X50 modem for 5G support. There's no change in RAM or storage support. Qualcomm has geared this for gaming and augmented reality and virtual reality applications, so expect the next generation of gaming phones. Some second-half flagships might adopt it too, so they can claim an upgrade over their first-half counterparts. And Asus has announced that its upcoming ROG Phone 2 will be the first smartphone running Qualcomm's newly announced Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset. Qualcomm unveils Snapdragon 855 Plus with 15% faster GPU, more relevant to the ROG Phone 2. The Adreno 640 GPU in the Snapdragon 855 Plus has also been clocked higher and now promises an improvement of 15% compared to the standard Snapdragon 855. This announcement may seem similar to the launch of the original ROG phone, which features a specially binned version of the Snapdragon 845 that ran at slightly higher clocks. However, the difference this time is that while the original ROG phone was the only device to feature that particular chipset, the Snapdragon 855 Plus will be available to all OEMs, with Asus just being the first to adopt it. The ROG Phone 2 is expected launching next week on July 23.